The 2024 Volkswagen Tuareg is equipped with a new roof load sensor that is tightly built in with the electronic gears. This presents the benefit of extended agility. Sensors will become aware of it and ignore on data to assist structures such as electronic stability control. The machine then intervenes early to enhance experience stability. This machine approves for sportier overall performance than earlier than barring the weight of the roof. Head of driving dynamics, steering and control systems, it is the interaction of all these technologies that makes the new Tuareg stand out. A good balance between the walking gear and the control machine ensures increased balance and precision in dynamic, comfort-oriented driving situations. Especially in combination with the running equipment machines such as creating lively roll and all-wheel steering, the Tuareg now presents more desirable using dynamics. The Tuareg's progressive assistance systems consist of technologies such as Travel Assist Area View. A 360-degree bird's-eye view is displayed on the infotainment system show to facilitate maneuver Park Assist Plus with remote parking abilities.